Hey, what's up guys? Time to dust out my computer to get optimal performance out of it. So dust can actually hinder performance if left unchecked. So I'm actually going to use this air duster by Reesibi. This is the R5 model, and I'll put links down below if you guys are interested. So just a quick unboxing here. So you get some attachments. You get a USB-A to USB-C. It's nice that it's USB-C because I have a whole bunch of these cables already. You get a little microfiber wipe, and it's actually kind of nice packaging that they put in here, so I don't have to keep the box or anything. So let's take this out. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box, and there's nothing else in here. So, and let's see, so USB-C here. Oh, okay. So that's the button to turn on, and I guess these are the different modes. Let's see. Okay. Oh, and this is a light. So starting with the dustiest part of my computer, it does a good job of taking out the dust. It's not perfect, but for something that's battery powered and very portable, it does a pretty good job. I feel like it would have done a better job if I put the bristle attachment on there. Now, I do have a corded version of an air blower, and it is more powerful than this. However, when you're dusting out your computer, you don't want it to be super powerful, especially if you're pointing it at the fans. And I try not to do the fans too much with the air blowers, but this one under the lowest setting is not too bad. And I just kind of glance over it quickly. So it makes it better from that perspective compared to my corded one. My corded one is very powerful, so I would not point it at any of the fans. So, but it's important to keep your computer dust free because, again, you can lose performance. But if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.